In this video I'll show you how to correctly use vacuum storage bags. So these bags come in multiple different sizes. For example, here I have 40 by 60 centimeters bag. So you see I can actually stuff in quite a lot of stuff inside this bag. So first, obviously you want to place your clothes inside, and then as you see, if you look over here, we can unscrew this cap. So this is our wall, and this is a flapper for the wall that essentially prevents the air from escaping, so this pink thing. So, and there are two ways how to deflate the air from this bag, either with manual hand pump or also a vacuum cleaner. So I'll show you for both. And after you have filled up your bag, we need to close it. Inside the box you'll find this tiny adapter here, so it can be used to close the bag. So you see, this is what it looks like. If you want to close it, so make sure nothing is hanging outside, we take this clip and insert like this. Okay, and then we simply slide across a few times. Also pinch this, so exert some pressure on both sides of it, so use a bit of force to close it. So, and let's do it 3 or 4 times for the best results. So again, I suggest maybe like 3 or 4 times, and after that, we can remove this. Also, after that, manually also inspect if this is closed. So it's best if you feel it with your fingers. You'll feel if everything is okay. So appears good here. And if you inspect closely, I see it has got a threaded base. If you look also inside in your hand pump, I see it also has got a thread on inside. So essentially we can simply screw it on. Also I'll start a timer. Also after some time you want to stop, so see it's already starting to suck out a lot of air, and we want to arrange the clothes inside properly. Otherwise they're going to clump up, so we do not want that for best storage. So see, simply kind of push them around so they are flat. And then let's continue. Okay, I think I'm done. So, and if you check, so see how absolutely thin this is. And you can probably save this way maybe 5 or 6 times the space. Also, after you are done, you want to put your air near this flapper valve and see if it's not leaking air. So this like pink thing is the one that actually is keeping in the air. So you want to simply listen for any leaks. If there is a leak, you can simply take your finger and adjust this sideways. So this is fully adjustable if you touch it. And once done, simply take your cover and screw it on, and then you can store it for a very long time while saving a lot of space. So if you want to take out your clothes, so we simply peel this apart. Okay, you see how it puffs up. It will take some time to regain its original shape, obviously. Also, if you want to suck out air more easily, you can also use a vacuum cleaner for this purpose. But in my experience, you can actually do the job better with a manual hand pump. Essentially, you can make the package smaller and suck out more air. Because again, so you see, we have the thread, and it simply screws on properly on this one. If you use a simple vacuum cleaner, so it simply won't make as good contact and seal against the wall, and simply won't be able to suck out as much air. So let me show you how that would look like. So again, you simply take our vacuum cleaner, simply push it on, and make sure it's push against this one. So you see, I'll turn it on. As you see, that was way faster than with a manual pump. But as you see, we actually couldn't suck out as much air as we can with this one. So the main reason is because again we have a thread here, and it simply makes much better contact. I guess if you also have this manual pump and both vacuum, so if you have a lot of bags to fill up, you can probably maybe suck out most of the air using the vacuum cleaner, so if you want to save effort, and then simply finish with a manual one. So simply screw it on, and you see it's definitely still taking away a lot of air out. So yeah, let's see if you finish it with the manual one. It's definitely way more compact, and it managed to pull out even more air. So I think this is probably the best combo. Simply suck out most of the air with a vacuum cleaner, and then simply finish up with a manual one to get the best effect. Okay, good luck.